Hey guys, my name is Akhil and welcome to btech Guide. So you all know that we are releasing Swiggy placements test programming question as well as the project code. So initially I have released two videos, that is 3 days back and 2 days back. One is on the programming question that they have asked, which is a numplayers question, I guess. And then the second one is the project code that we need to implement a small project based on the boiler code they have given. So for that, the first program they have given is like BMI calculator. So in this video, let us dive into the another React.js project that this Swiggy front-end developer tests have connected for ASDE role. Okay, so let us see that. Here you go with the question. Let me open this. All right, so here you see, so this is a another question that one of our candidates have received, like React, TypeScript and flashcards. So React, TypeScript, flashcards. So this is the animation image, like when you, what is the capital of France and what is the square root of 144, what is the smallest prime number, what is the largest planet in our solar system. So when we click on that, it should flip, like like tossing a coin. When you click on the head button, so it should revert and we should show tail. So in that manner, when you click on this, you should flip the card. Okay, that's why they have called the flashcard app. Okay, and here you go with the small description about that. So using flash scripts, so don't get confused, like this is in different format. So using TypeScript and React, design a flashcard app that displays a series of flashcards with questions on the front and the answers on the back. Okay, so question will be displayed on the front and the answers will be on the back. So when you click on the front of the card, so it should revert and it should show the answer. Okay, so certain core React functionalities are already implemented. The application has two components, flashcard deck.tsx and flashcard tsx, where the functionality should be implemented. Okay, so there are two files, flashcard deck.tsx and flashcard.tsx. So there we need to write the code. Okay, I will be showing the structure also in the meanwhile. Okay, so let's just skip this. So here you go. So display series of flashcards with the questions on the front and answers on the back. So update the is flipped constant to a state variable in flashcard slash index.tsx. When is flapped is true, flapped is append to the divs with the class name flashcard content. So this is the name we need to append when we write the return type. Okay, so the answer is shown. When is flapped is false, they append to the div with the class name flashcard hyphen content. So okay, so okay, we have done with this. So click in the shuffle button, which should record the flashcards. So ensure the shuffled order of the flashcard is different from the original order present in source data card.tsx. So here we need to get the questions and answers from that. They will be giving you in a JSON format. We need to get that JSON format and we need to rotate each and every time when you click on the shuffle button. Okay, so create a type for flashcard in source types flashcard.tsx with the following parameters: id, question and answer. So they will be already given in the code, so you need not to be creating this, but you can directly get from the file structure. Okay, so these are the attributes, these are the main attributes which you need to append to the HTML tags or div tags, where it will be automatically checking the cases. So the main flashcard app component should have a flashcard deck attribute, and individual flashcard should have a flashcard container with a card.id that we need to pass the value. Okay, the question text in a flashcard, that we need to have a flashcard question hyphen card.id, flashcard answer for the answer tag, and shuffle button for the button. Okay, so we'll be implementing all of this in a couple of bits. Okay, software installation. So this is the entire file structure. Here you see, so we have the component flashcard deck and the flashcard index.css and index.tsx. Okay, so this is the data which we need to retrieve from. So here already they will be taking. Okay, so this is card.data.tsx is the data, like they will be giving you in the JSON format. We need to get those data and we need to display in the flashcard. Okay, and they have mentioned like types, right? So where we need to define the type is, so here you go. So this is the type slash flashcard.txl. They will be giving us id, integer, number, question string and answer string. That is already implemented in the package itself, like in the folder itself. So we don't need to write. So let us recreate this. Okay, index.tsx. This is for the flashcard react.fragment. Okay, so that's the end of the question, and let us dive into the problem solving on this. So let me open the code sandbox. Okay, not rather code sandbox. I need to log into my GitHub before that. Okay, let me open online compiler then. Let us write in this. Okay, let me shift to the Python for colors. Okay, so in the file name you need to mention, like for the example, source slash types slash flashcard .txt. So this is a file already mentioned in the folder, so no need to rewrite it again. But you see, when you open this folder, when this is the types, right? So when you open this folder, you will be having a file called flashcard.ts. so there it will be having a code like, so just for your information I'm writing this. Okay, for type flashcard, which we need to return the id as number, and then question as string, string, and then we have the answer which should be a string. Okay, so done with this. So let me close this. So this is one type file which is already given. So let us try the main functionality in the flashcard.tsx file. So here you go. So we have the flashcard and index.tsx file. So this is the entire file we need to write the code. Okay, so I will be literally modifying the code, so don't worry guys, this is the entire code we need to return, but just manipulate the code. Like we need to add the functionality in that by using the functions which we write. Okay, as the shuffle program, which is very simple. Okay, so in the file called src slash component slash flashcard.tsx, txx. So in this file we need to write the code as import React as well as the use state from React. Okay, and we need to import the flashcard. Okay, import flashcard from dot slash types slash flashcard. So these are types we are importing here. Okay, so for the validation purposes, flashcard. Okay, so we are done with the imports, and let's create an interface here. Flashcard props. Let me open a string, and here we have a card called flashcard. So this is the card. We are creating an interface and we are appending the flashcard here. Okay, done till here. So we have gone. So we have imported all these things, and from here we need to write now. Okay, so we have created an interface also. So let us write the main logic. Okay, const. So don't worry guys, don't worry about the what I'm writing. Just stay with me till the end, so that you'll be getting clear understanding of what I'm writing and everything. Okay, so React dot fragment and flashcard props. Okay, and we need to pass the card which we have used their interface in the interface card, and then we need to use arrow functions to write the entire logic here. Okay, so here you see, so this is a thing. Okay, don't worry about that guys. So this is another thing, and this is a thing we need to write. We are modifying the entire logic so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, next we need to define the states here. Const is fli pped and comma set is fli pped, which is equal to, we need to call the use state, and we need to pass the default one is a false thing. Okay, so after that what we need to do, we need to handle the click when the user clicks on the shuffle button, right? So for that we need to define a function const handle click is equal to open the function and arrow functions, right? Is set keysflip to negation of keysflip. So when the user clicks on the card, so it should be flipping over and showing the output. And when the user is clicked on the click on the answer, then the question should be displayed. So that's why we are doing it here. So now let me scroll down and let me write the entire return function here. Return code here. Okay, done. So here we need to define our tags. Div class name. Class name is equal to, so as they are provided as flashcard container, so defaultly they will be giving, you need to write, but we need to append the card.id here. So here you see, so defaultly they will be giving you all these things, but what we need to do in the question also they have told, So here see, we need to pass the card.id to get the IDs. Where we'll be getting all this from the data. Okay. FLA flash card hyphen container hyphen dollar. So we need to pass the braces for the value to be fetched here, and then close it, and then close it again. So we have the div, and then we need to write for the, I will write written here. So data hyphen test ID is equal to flash container, same. We need to copy this everything, and then paste it here. Okay. And then what we need to do, we need to be passing the on click function, so that when the user clicks on it, we should flip right. So on click is equal to handle click. Okay, and close the braces and close the div. That's it, done with the div, one div. And then we need to open another div for the question. Okay, so div class name is equal to string flashcard. We need, for that it should be a content dollar is flipped, and then we need to pass the called, what we call, values called flipped, and as well as the empty string. Okay, fli ppet string, and then open close the string, close it, string it, and then angle brace, and then close the div. Okay, that's it. And then we need to open another div. So div class name is equal to flashcard question. We need to pass the question, right? So this is the entire, this entire thing is the what we call, for the concatenation of question as well as the answer. Okay, for that class name is equal to, so let me copy this. Okay, and place it here. It should be, it should not be a container, but it should be a question, right? So question, and then card.id. Okay, done. So again we need to pass the test id, data hyphen test id is equal to, same, copy paste. So these are the attributes, common attributes that we need to pass. Okay, and then close the div. So it should be inside the div, right? So let me that's good. You'll be able to understand. In the div we need to pass the parameters called is flipped, negation of is flipped, and then card dot question. So in case if it is present only, we need to display it. Okay, and then we close the div slash div, this div. Okay, now we need to open the another div which for the answer. So just me copy this, copy all of this. So you don't need to write everything, guys, just you need to follow me. Just you need to update this one as well as this IDs. That's it, your program will be done. Okay, this should be answer ANSWR, and this should be ANSWR, and same here. So you should not question ANSWR. Done. Okay, so let me close all the divs. So we have closed this div. So this div is pending, right? So the main div is pending. Close the div, and one more div. So on the above there is another div. We need to be closing it. Okay, slash div. So we have done with the first file of our project. Okay, so what we need to do is now to export the class, export default. So flashcard component, flash flashcard component. Okay, done with the first one. Okay, so it's not the end of the program, guys. So this is another file. So we have another file called flashcard deck in this folder. Let me open the source code again. So here you see, so there is another folder called flashcard deck. So in that also we need to write code for the shuffling the card. So whenever the user clicks on the shuffle, so let me open this. So whenever the user clicks on the shuffle button, this entire thing has to be shuffled. Like first we need to get this this largest planet, and then this one or this one, and so it should be in the randomized manner whenever the user clicks on the shuffle button. So for that, let me write the code in the another file called in the picture. Open this here. So flashcard deck.tdx write the code. Okay, so let me create the file for that. So src slash component slash flashcard. So let me zoom in. This should be not flashcard, flashcard deck is deck.tsx. So in this file we need to write the another logic. Okay, so for that import react comma and use state from react, close it, and then we need to import the types. So let me copy it from the above, flash, and then import the flashcard component from dot slash flashcard component flashcard something. Okay, and then we need to import the data, import cards data dot slash data slash cards dash data. So where did you get this cards dot data, Akhil? So here you go. Let me open this and this. So in the data of cars.data.tx, so they have, as I previously told, that they have given the JSON format of the question as well as the answer. We need to retrieve that. So I don't have pick for that, but basically you be in a assumption like they are in the file you have the data like question and answer and along with the key ID, which means the integers or the index value. So let me write code for that. So const flash card deck is to react dot fc is equal to, and then open the curly braces. So let me set the constant const cards call set cards is equal to use state of default. We need to pass the flashcards. Okay, flashcard which is an array, and then use the did I miss everything? Okay, sorry, should be anchor tag, and then should close the anchor tag and then pass the cards date. That's it. Super, all set. And then we need to write the function for the shuffling card, shuffle shuffle cards is equal to, open the curly braces, open the strings, and then close the string. So for the shuffle logic is very simple, like we need to randomize the thing, const shuffle the cards is equal to pass the cards cards dot sort. Okay, so basically we use this sort method to sort, and then open the arrow mark, so math dot random minus 0.5. okay, and then close it. Okay, set cards of shuffle cards. Okay, so we are setting the shuffle cards to get shuffled. Okay, and here you go. So we need to write the return function, return, sorry it should be a Francis, and then close it, slash div data dot test id is equal to flashcard deck. So it should be flashcard btech. Okay, so in that we need to write the main function. So let me close this div also, pass the cards dot map of card. Okay, open the arrow function, and then we need to pass the data to the flashcard component. Okay, flashcard deck is not the deck, flashcard component key is equal to card dot id, and then card is equal to, you need to pass the card and close the tag. Okay, so done with this. Okay, it isn't anything, guys. Oh, I need to close another brace. Should be bracket brace branches, and then this tag. All set. And then for shuffling we need to create a button data hyphen test id is equal to shu shuffle hyphen button on click is equal to, we need to call the shuffle card functions which we have already done here. So this is the function we need to be calling. Okay, on click is equal to shuffle cards. Okay, done with that. And so let me write the name as shuffle and close the button, guys. Boom, that's the entire program. So let me create the export for this also. Export default flashcard deck. Oh, done, guys. This is the entire thing we need to be writing in the flashcard deck test. So for this question, so this is the entire question, and for this question, this is the logic we need to be writing. So this is the entire code that the user gives, that the programmer gives, and from the flashcard.tsx file, we need to write all of this code. So basically, you don't need to write this one also. So as we can directly get that, but from here line number 23 to line number 27, so just a small logic there, and then we need to pass the onClick functions to the code, and this one also, so getting the data from the card, and this one also. And then in the flashcard deck card, we need to be passing we need to be getting the data from the cards data, and then we need to write the function for the shuffled cards, and when clicked on the button, it should be shuffling all the data. Okay, so that's it in this video, guys. So let's just catch in another video, and for now, all the best. And in case if you have any doubt, just ping me in the comment box below. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe our channel btech for latest job postings and coding question solutions, etc. And if you want the answer for any other following any other test case or any other program, just ping me on my telegram channel, or join in our, or directly you can ping me on my LinkedIn, so I will be assisting you from there. Okay, so that's it in this video, guys. Always bye bye.